Hey guys, if you're following along, this is week 3 of the no spend challenge in April. The first week on groceries, I spent about $97. The second week I spent on groceries was about $90. And the third week, unfortunately, because I did not follow one of my steps of planning and looking through my ingredients, I spent $167. Now, in my defense, I did need to do a little bit of extra shopping for coffee and flour as we were starting to run low. A little sting in my heart today, but I'm gonna go through what I picked up. Here is my haul. I went to the Real Canadian Superstore. I was able to find eggs on sale. So instead of buying a flat of 30, these were on for $2.47 each, so that was a great deal. I got some buns for pineapple sliders on Thursday. A couple loaves of bread. They didn't have brown, so I had to get white. These yogurts are great for the kids for lunches. We're doing Taco Tuesday tomorrow. No, tonight. Tonight's Tuesday. So I needed some sour cream. We always need butter. I'm going to do more baking. This week was kind of a baking flop. The yogurt I'm going to have with granola that I'm going to make this week. Here's the coffee. This is my favorite coffee. It was $16, but that lasts forever. I got a box of crackers. We ran out of ranch with bacon. And my kids have really been digging this. So if this gets them to eat veggies and salads, I am all for spending, well, actually it was on sale. $2.60, I think, for one of those, which is way better than almost $4. Now I had to buy the no-name peanut butter. My husband will be very sad because he loves Kraft. So sorry, hun. That was all they had. Barbecue sauce. We're gonna make some meatloaf, mini meatloafs, and so I'm going to put that with those. Peppers, cucumbers. One of you guys was telling me about this awesome recipe that used these bouillon cubes. They're packets, but I thought I'd probably replace one of my recipes with that. It's pumpkin sausage and pasta. Really excited to do that. So thank you so much for sending me the recipe. Bananas, because we go through bananas like water. I picked up some Easter treats, so hopefully my kids don't see this before Easter, but these are for them. We'll hide them around. We have some other Easter candy too. Frozen berries for smoothies, and then I'm gonna make some pancakes hopefully this week. I need to make my list because I haven't planned yet. Lots of apples, we're running low. Those are Eli's favorite snack. We needed bags. I could have just used like saran wrap, but for crackers and extra like fiddly things, you gotta have bags. Cheese for the week for life. Mozzarella for pizzas. I'm gonna shred this, probably the whole thing, and put half or more than that in the freezer for pizzas for next week or the week after. We'll see how fast we go through it, but they were both on sale. Almonds, I'm gonna make some more, obviously granola, and I'll probably put that in my granola bars, as well as I'll probably make some cranberry almond muffins because they're amazing. Milk and bologna, because Irene loves bologna, so do I. I finally bought bacon. We are going to use it for a recipe this week and probably have it for some breakfast. And some pudding. I wanted to make some whoopie pies. If you've never had a whoopie pie cookie, they are amazing. And then a huge bag of flour. It feels like the fitting thing to do now is to show you what I'm gonna bake or cook for the week. So let me fill you in. This is my meal plan for the week. I gotta make granola bars, whoopie pies, some tarts, and granola. And then for breakfast, so this is like what I'll bake in the morning. Pancakes, cinnamon buns, some muffins for lunches, and then some banana loaf. For suppers, Wednesday we're gonna have pineapple venison sliders, meatloaf cups on Thursday, pizza we'll make on Friday, Saturday will be supper with our family, and then on Sunday we'll also do supper with our family, but that'll be here at the house, so I'll make some chicken. Going up to Monday, the kids will be off school, so we're gonna do pumpkin sausage pasta. That was the recipe from one of my subscribers. And then pulled quesadillas. So guys, let's be honest, to not spend any money for a whole month is really hard. I definitely broke down and bought 2 breakfasts this last week, and it kind of sucked. So I got my cards back in my cabinet. I'm not going to use them anymore. That's one of the things. When convenience calls, sometimes you answer. But if that happens to you, don't be so hard on yourself. Just take steps in the right direction and move forward. I hope you have fun using up the deer in your freezer, prepping and planning for your grocery hauls, and saving some money. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next week.